here today for an end of tenancy lock change. So it looks like a thumb turn and a Euro cylinder. So I'll just wait for the housing officer to turn up. While I'm waiting, I'll install the key safe. That's the holes made. Just now I've got to plug it and then put the key safe on. And that's the key safe fitted. Just going to set the code when the housing officer gets here and then change the locks. So there's no electric in the place, so I'm here to change the rim cylinder and the thumb turn at the bottom. That's it, so I'll get on with that now. And that's the new rim cylinder fitted, just got to fit the back light latch. And that's the new light latch fitted. All done. And that's the bottom one out. It's a 30-30. I'm just going to grab a replacement and stick it in. And that's it in. Just had to make minor adjustments with the keys. But yeah, it's in now. And that's the bottom lock done. Just going to test it. Yeah, locking perfect. Tidy up. That's the bottom lock and the top lock completed. And that's the bottom unlocked. Locked.